Hello everyone. I have installed a Android system from PD Drive yesterday. So this is how the home screen looks like. So this I have installed on Maruti CS and the screen size is 9 inch. So to be honest, it fitted perfectly like into the system, and you don't see any other lines or something which is jutting out of the frame of the car. So it's everything fitted perfectly, and it's actually gelled into the system. It doesn't look odd out of this or anything out of place. So we have four widgets on the screen. One is maps, music, Bluetooth, and radio. Then by the way, if you click the maps, we need internet, and I haven't connected it correctly. So then we have music widget, so it takes you directly to the music widget. And if you see this is the music quality of the system. So all of the controls on the steering works perfectly all right. So this is compatible with the steering controls. So I'm just reducing the volume from the volume control on the steering. So it's getting reduced. You can see the scroll bar moving up and moving left and right while I'm increasing. Then if I am moving it to the right, and the channel also will change. I'll demonstrate it on the radio. The mute button is also working perfectly all right. There is no problem with that. So now I'm going back. Now I'm clicking on the radio. If you see, this is the radio. Now I'll show you how that channels will be selected using the option control on the steering. So this is what I am doing. So this is working fine. So don't be in panic mode, because the signals are little weak here. Otherwise the controls are working fine. So few channels are working properly all right. If you are having some signal issues, 95. Okay, these are the different channels what I am trying to demonstrate using the steering controls. So muting. So the muting is working here. Now I'm going back to the mode. You can see the mode. So this is how the mode works. Music, okay, video, auxiliary. So the mode is also working fine perfectly. Now I'm going back. So this is done here. So now I'm just swiping left, and see the screen, like the touch screen is working absolutely all right. And then I am moving again left. It's also working perfectly fine. There is no lag in the movement. The screen selection is perfectly working fine. So just to demonstrate quickly, I can just show you some video. So the video quality I would like you to see. So this is the video quality and the screen clarity of the videos. So it's amazingly clear, and the crispness and the clarity of the screen is also good. So now I would like to go back. I am just clicking on the return. Then I'm just clicking here, and we have a couple of apps installed on the screen, and one such app is Car Web Guru. So if you see here, the moment I clicked, so actually there is a speedometer here which is coming on the center, and then we have the Suzuki logo on the top left corner. So this is how the screen looks like. So as it is, and as you already seen, the clarity of the music is also very good. So the connectivity is also very seamless. When you switch on the Bluetooth, it instantly get connected. When you turn on the hotspot, it's very quickly connecting. So I just will demonstrate one Bluetooth thing, and just returning back to the home screen. And so if you see the Bluetooth here, so these are the two buttons here in the middle. One is for connecting, one is for disconnecting. So this, if I clicking this one, it gets disconnected. If I'm clicking this one, it's getting connected. So this is how we disconnect and connect the Bluetooth using the screen, on the screen. So this is for the calls, and this is for the Bluetooth the screen, and this is for the contacts, and this is for the this is the dial pad. So I'm returning now. If you just if you do like mobile, it will show the notifications. You can increase the brightness, you can increase the volume by using this. So this is the one which is showing the internet one. So I'm just muting it. Okay, I'm just going back, and then I'm just doing it up. So scrolling up, it comes back to the home screen, and we have different volume up and down buttons on the device itself. So I can just control it using this one also. Then we have the home thing. That's it. So this is a Chrome. Since I haven't connected any internet, you can't see anything here. We have the music, it's already there, you have seen. Settings, it will just take you to a lot of settings. We have multiple settings here. You just have to explore the settings and then see what you can set. Play Store, we can download apps here. We have the maps also directly, and then we have the map file manager. This is the space available here. So that's all about the device. Overall, I feel good with this. It's looking good, and the look and feel is also fine. So I hope whoever is purchasing this will be having the same vibes. Thank you.